how to install nodejs in your MacBook. So go to Chrome or Firefox, any IDE you use, search for nodejs and press on the first link, and it will automatically give you the recommendation that, like, now they're suggesting me that 16.13.2 is the latest and it is recommended for most of the users. So we're going to press on this one, and it's automatically going to download the software, and we're going to open it in the file explorer and just double press on it, and it will open up this window. Just say continue, read it if you want to, continue, you have to agree with it, agree, and then install, and then you have to give it permission. And that's it. After installation, you can move it to trash. I'm gonna move it, and then you can check in your Mac that now it's available. You can check by well, let's go to desktop first. Check it, node version, node-b. You can see it. We installed version 16.13.2. That's what we downloaded, and that's it.